Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are just joining us for the first time, my name is Tony. This is my channel, TMogo116, where I show you everything that I've done to my Jeep and how you could do it yourself, save yourself some money. First off, let's do a 1 week update on the Raptor liner. Let's show you what it looks like. So exactly a week ago today, I brought the Jeep back after pulling the tape and putting it back together. This is the 1 week update. I'll do these periodically over the next few months, showing you how it progresses. So this is fully cured, a week in. You can't scratch it, can't do anything to it. Wherever I go, people are constantly stopping me, asking me how much it costs, what it is, if they could touch it. As soon as I walk away from the Jeep, I see everybody like grabbing onto it. I don't mind, just something to be prepared for if you do this. Also in the last video, I forgot to show you the half doors reassembled and back on the Jeep. When I originally got them, I had them painted off-site, and the tint on the paint was a hair off. So now gave me the perfect opportunity when spraying the Jeep to get everything to match perfectly. A bunch of viewers asked me about the door jambs and the top of the bed here for the hardtop. I left it smooth, I didn't touch it, I have the original paint still. I plan on painting it with the Raptor black later on. So when I do the inside of the tub and everything, I'll do that then, but for now I left it alone. As far as I know, it won't affect anything as far as a hardtop seal or anything like that, so I'm not too worried about it. You can see how good of a paint match we did with the tank color and the Raptor. Let me bring you around to the front of the Jeep. The great debate from the last video is green or black on the grill, and that's what brings us into today's video. I bought this mesh here off Amazon. I'll get the exact name. I believe it was like $50, and I loved it. It doesn't have the hole cut out if you had a lock or something like that, but I have the eyebrow thing anyway, and it's very sturdy. It'll stop some rocks from going through, and it actually increased the rigidity of the grill. I should have recorded the install, and I didn't, and I even managed to drill directly into my thumb. So I bought a second version of it for the green grill. Let's go install that and show you how to do it. Okay, so today's gonna be a super simple install. I have this here. This is the Paramount Automotive grill insert. Got it off Amazon. I will have a link to this below. Let me just show you. Like I said, I already installed one of these on my gloss black grill, and I loved it. And I think it's just what I need to break up the green enough. I'm torn between the Raptor lined green grill, which we're gonna be working on today, and the gloss black grill, which is on the Jeep right now. Both look great. The gloss black, I think, breaks it up a little bit better. So first thing you get is a little bag of nuts and bolts. What you're gonna need for this install is a grill, the insert, a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with a, 9/64 drill bit. It's tiny. You're gonna see whatever matches up with the bolts that you're gonna be using, and a 9/32 bit. That's it. Just take your grill off, and I'll show you how to do this now. Let's see. When you unbox it, very well packaged. It's got styrofoam, bubble wrap. Where'd the knife go? What's the knife? There's the knife. Okay. Now there's other cheaper options out there. You could do this yourself. You get some mesh from Home Depot or Lowe's, and you fit it behind the grill and all that. I like this one was contoured. You see that? It'll fit in between the grill and kind of stick out a little bit. I did enjoy that better, and also I don't have one of those hood locks, so I didn't want the one that had the hole cut out in it. So this worked out pretty well. It's very sturdy. It's kind of heavy, actually, to be honest with you. Probably weighs, I don't know, maybe 2 pounds. I don't know. Let me show you how to do this. Hang on. Get a better camera angle. So now with the grill out, on your workbench or wherever you're doing this, kitchen table if your wife lets you. Flip the grill over. If you're worried about scratches, put a towel underneath it just in case. I obviously am not now that it is Raptor lined. You grab your insert. Now there's going to be 4 tabs and 3 tabs. The 3 go towards the top of the grill, and make sure that the contours are going to fit through the grill. I should mention also, besides the looks and the rigidity, this thing actually will protect the radiator, your transmission cooler if you have an automatic, from rocks and debris kicking up, and it also makes the grill much more stiffer. So what we're going to do is, like I said, it's a really simple install. You line it up. There is a slot on the edge of these. You're going to drill through, and can't get the angle in there too much, but drill right through here. The bolt will go through, the nut goes on the inside, and it'll hold it through. The top, the same thing. We're going to drill through the bottom and put the bolt in this way, put the nut on top, and it will secure it. And that's pretty much it. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, so now that I have 2 hands, it's a little bit easier to show you. These little L brackets, we put them right here. Kind of push them down a little bit so you create a little bit of tension. Grab your drill, hold them down, and we're going to drill the first one in right here. That's it, just a simple little hole. Grab the screws and the nuts that they provided and the washers. If I could open it. There we go. So, let's take this, that, and the washer. So, we'll put the screw through first, or the bolt rather. Just start it. Attempt to start it. Now, the hole that I drilled is slightly smaller than the screw, and I wanted that. This way it wouldn't become loose over time. Put these down. Just start the screw going through. Perfect. It's out the other end, and it's not going to move. I can put the nut and the washer on the inside, and we'll screw it on just like that. Now you're going to continue this 3 more times on the bottom, and then I'll show you how to do the top as well. So now that all the bottom ones are in, we're going to go to the top. And you want to have this a little bit pressed down. You don't want to put it right here and then it'll be loose and move around on you. So go a little bit in, and then we'll drill a little hole there. And we'll do the same exact process. The bolt will mount from the bottom and the nut will go on the top. Let me show you how to do that. So like I said, you want to keep a little bit of tension on it. We're going to pull this down just like that. Drill right through. I already drilled one here. We're going to continue it. There you have it, guys. 3 nuts and bolts on top. And let's see what she looks like. Oh, that looks good. See? Like I said, it gives it much more rigidity. You cannot bend your grill anymore. Gives it a little bit of weight, but also the added protection is nice also. So I think now it's time to end the debate for once and for all. Do you guys prefer this grill? Or with a little bit of YouTube magic, we have the Raptor line green grill now. What do you guys think? I kept the gloss black grill in for a week, and I liked it. I was getting a lot of mixed reviews. So now with the black grill insert, I don't know. It's a tough debate. Also, I'm waiting for a matte black Jeep symbol to go there. That'll set it off a little bit too. I'm gonna leave this grill in for a week and see if it grows on me. I do kind of like it. I like both. I mean, both look great, but I do like the Raptor one a little bit better, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Let's end this debate once and for all, guys. All week I've been going back and forth on social media if I should keep the black grill or put back in the Raptor lined grill. I gave the black one a week. I'm giving this one a week. See which one grows on me more. I really like both, but I think I'm leaning towards this one. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. As always, I'm Tony. This is my channel, TMogo116. I hope you enjoyed this video. Lots of stuff planned. I have Jeep Beach in Daytona coming up. Hopefully before Jeep Beach, we might be getting bigger tires and wheels. Maybe, just maybe. We'll see how that goes. Also, I am debating changing my top. I really like the Best Top NX. They just came out with the Best Top NX Plus, and it comes in tan. I'm thinking I might put a tan top on this Jeep. Also, let me know what you guys think about that as well. As always, thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to find me on social media, look up TMogo116 on Instagram. You'll find me there, as well as on Facebook. Hope you guys enjoyed it, guys. Have a good one.